In this video, I'll demonstrate how to fix the double spacing inside of a Word document when it appears uneven. First, notice that the spacing inside of each paragraph appears to be uniform. However, in between paragraphs, it appears that there's a larger vertical white space. The reason why this is occurring, although the line spacing is set at 2.0, is because the paragraph spacing, by default, has been set at 8 points after each paragraph. To fix this, click anywhere inside of your Word document, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard, or on the Home tab, go to the Editing group, Select, and select All. Then on the Layout tab, Paragraph group, change the number 8 or other number to 0. Press Enter. The vertical spacing is now uniform throughout my Word document.